Yo, what's up guys, it's Martino from Bboy's crew. It was my first time doing the BC1 Belgium Cypher and I'm really happy with how I did. To qualify myself for the first time, the most important thing for me was choosing a battle strategy that suited me, and I was really happy with the choice I made, and I think this really pushed me to the next level. So for me it all started with getting all things in check, everything really organized, and from then on it really was about drilling, using the techniques my coach gave me, and that gave me really enough confidence to be on this stage and trust my moves, trust my gut, and really push myself even more than before. The big difference for me, with the reason is I qualified, is because I felt confident and I really could be myself. Also, my moves came out much bigger because I felt confident, so it wasn't as small as before. Now I really got to open up. I'm still working on it right now, but it felt like a really big change for me to be present on the stage as much as I am in training. So that's really good for me, and I'm proud of the way I did. My battle today was against Jibril. First of all, I was like really excited to battle him because he's like a big name, he has big moves. I felt like I really put the pressure on. I lost a really tight battle, it was 2-1. I felt like on another day I might have took it, so I'm really proud that I pushed it so close, but on the other hand I felt like I really could have taken it, man. So next year I'm gonna be there again and I'm gonna push even harder. So let me be honest with you, it really helped me a lot, this masterclass of Sambo. Whatever level you're at, it doesn't matter. It could be for your first battle or you're an experienced dancer, it could really level you up, so do yourself a favor and get it.